In 2017, the prime cattle price in Scotland has been about 7% higher on average than in the previous year. So there's been a number of factors influencing the market. The main one of those has been overall supply. So in the period from the beginning of January up until early December, numbers were down by about 3% overall. And in addition to that, carcass weights have been slightly lower, particularly for steers. Heifers and young bulls have been similar carcass weights. And the real driver of the slight decline in steer weights has been market signals from the abattoirs. And that has reduced the average steer weight. And if numbers are lower and then you have a reduction in volume from the carcass weight, then that has tightened up the market. On the trade side, between August and October of 2017, the latest UK trade stats suggest that there's been a small export growth of about 2% compared to last year. And then on the import side, volumes imported have risen by about 9%. So given that there's been such a significant increase in imports, yet the price paid to the farmer has remained above year earlier levels, it does suggest healthy demand for beef in the UK. Looking forward to 2018, historically, the first 2 or 3 months of the year have seen some downward pressure on the price for prime cattle, as demand tends to fall back after the festive period. Looking forward to this year, however, the supply of animals reaching the market is likely to be best static, as calf registrations in 2016 were similar to the previous year. Combined with that, we've also got perhaps a slightly different supply profile for these animals reaching the market, with the price incentives offered to farmers perhaps leading to animals to be slaughtered a bit younger, and that might have pushed back some animals into 2017 that would traditionally have reached the market in early 2018. The animals born in the spring of the year are undoubtedly going to be sold after the UK has left the EU. This obviously introduces some uncertainty for farmers. However, in a time of uncertainty, farmers can look at the factors that they can control. So that is things like the calving percentage, managing their growth rates, and supplying the market with the animals that the market requires. And if we look at the recent release of our enterprise costings, you can see the farmers in the top third really are on top of their costs and supplying the market with the animals that the market wants, and they are achieving a strong margin. So looking at 2018 as a whole, a number of the factors that influenced the market in 2017 are unlikely to change. On the supply side, we're likely to see at best a static supply of animals based on calf registrations in 2016 reaching the market at 2 years of age. We've also got the exchange rate. It's likely to stay about where it has been since the EU referendum, and that will make UK beef price competitive on the export trade and also in the home market. So looking longer term into 2018, while there is undoubtedly some uncertainty, there are, however, a number of factors influencing positively on the market.